my team said, "Oh, but coach, y'all need to just slow down, okay? Breathe in the bag. I didn't let this stuff get. The government harassed me for years and then haul my ass to jail. Now, I ain't never been convicted of nothing, nor have I taken a deal, so don't be getting stupid on me. Okay, but they taught me how to live out of a box with 3 sets of clothes. Now, I have more clothes now, but I'm not still living it. My point is, I don't care how long it takes. Okay, so how did I come up with these people? I'm thinking to myself, if I want to know who it is that's responsible for jamming me up in my head, okay, this is in my head, then I'm going to want to know what URL is in the most important field that's in shit. The most important field. What field in my website drives most traffic to okay, come on now. It's the cell phone. 85 to 87% of the traffic of people shopping online are using their cell phone. Oh, my web design people said, "Oh, coach, that's brilliant." Oh, no, it ain't brilliant yet. Whose ass is in that spot? I want to know what business is in the spot that's commandeering the traffic from the thingy for the cell phone.